In this video, I'll show you how to make your Xbox account an adult account. And before we start, make sure you use the NordVPN link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price so you can stay protected while managing your Xbox account settings and following along safely. If your Xbox account is currently set up as a child account, you may be blocked from accessing certain games, apps, features, or online content. There are actually two ways to handle this depending on what you want. First, I'll show you how to remove restrictions so the account behaves like an adult account without changing the age. Then, I'll show you how to fully convert a child account into a true adult account by changing the age and removing it from family management. Let's start with removing restrictions without changing the account's age. This method keeps the account linked to the parent account, but unlocks adult-level access. To do this, you need to sign into the parent account on the Xbox. Open the guide, switch profiles, and log into the parent account. Once you're signed in, go to Settings, then open Account, and select Family Settings. From here, choose Manage Family Members, and select the child account you want to modify. Next, go to Privacy and Online Safety, then select Xbox Privacy. You'll see preset options here. Change the settings to adult defaults and confirm the change. This automatically unlocks most restrictions. You can also select View Details and customize individual options if you want more control. But it's not required, because adult defaults already enable everything. Now go back and open App Privacy. Make sure permissions like camera access, microphone access, and app usage are allowed. After that, go back again and open Message Safety. Set messaging and communication options to allow unrestricted communication. Then, go back once more and open Access to Content. Change the age setting to unrestricted and turn off web filtering if you want full access to all content. After applying these settings, the account will be able to access games, apps, and content without age restrictions. This makes the account function like an adult account, but it is still technically managed by the parent account. Now let's move on to fully converting a child account into an independent adult account. This is the method to use if the age was set incorrectly, or if you want the account completely removed from family controls. For this part, you need to use a web browser. Sign into the parent's Microsoft account on a browser. Once logged in, open My Microsoft account. From there, open the app launcher and go to Family Safety. Find the child account you want to convert. Select the three dots next to the account and choose Manage Content. You may be asked to enter your password again. On the next page, look for the option to edit personal information. From here, change the account's age to an adult age and continue. You'll see a message explaining that the account will no longer require adult permission to sign in, and that you will no longer manage the account. Confirm this by selecting Yes. At this point, the child account is officially converted into an adult account. To finish the process, go back to the Family page, select the three dots next to the account again, and choose Remove from Family Group. Confirm the removal to fully detach the account from family management. Finally, restart your Xbox console so all changes take effect. After restarting, go back to Account Settings, and you'll see that the account is no longer restricted and now functions as a full adult account. For extra security and privacy on your Xbox, especially when gaming online or accessing content, use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.